What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do a normal vlog. And I just got out of the shower this morning. And I got invited to my cousin's to go eat cake for her birthday, which is tomorrow. But I didn't end up making it because my car is also in the garage. And right now I'm gonna go wrap my gifts. And I'm not going to film it because they're probably gonna watch this vlog. So I'll show you guys when I finish wrapping them. And then I also might make some cake pops because I've been craving them. So yeah. And I might look more presentable. Christmas presents all wrapped, and I'm just gonna put them under this Christmas tree. Look at the dogs. Hey, Axel. And Turbo. Turbo, move. I got all the Christmas presents under the tree. Stop, Turbo. And this is also what our tree looks like. This one I didn't put under the tree because I have to take it into school for Tuesday because we have a party going on after school and each of us had to bring a Secret Santa gift. And then we can I don't know what I'm saying. Now I'm going to make some brownies and cake pops. And I'm using the Betty Crocker white cake mix. And you have to make the cake before you make the cake pops. I'm just going to open this. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I need 1/4 cup water and milk. I always use water. Then it's asking for a 1/3 cup vegetable oil. I'll be right back. And I'm apparently blind. I went to the pantry to find the vegetable oil, but then I grabbed the vinegar and then I closed the pantry thinking I couldn't find it, and then I found it. You probably did not need to know that. Now we need 3 egg whites or 3 whole eggs. I'm doing whole eggs. Stay. Shit. My hands are all oily now. I got some. I'm not a baker. Now it's time to whisk. It would be a good idea to add in the cake mixer. I make such a mess. Finished mixing it. Now I'm gonna put it in this pan. Now I'm gonna grease it first. And then just pour it in. Now I'm putting it in the oven for 43 minutes and then checking on it. In the meantime, I'm just gonna eat this. Now I'm gonna make this. It's Blondie's baking mix. What package am I using?
What does that say? I don't know.
It says 1 package. But then what's this? Oh, is that the chocolate? Yeah, it is.
There you go.
I should have probably got a bigger bowl. Now I need a 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. I need a large egg. And 1 tablespoon water. Now I need a wooden spoon. What do I use for the brownies?
What does it say?
Like what pan?
What does it say?
It doesn't say anything.
Doesn't say what size pan to put it in.
No. Grease 8 inch square baking.
There you go. Use that one. I don't know what size it is, but
Do I have to grease it?
it says.
This is what it looks like. Brownie doesn't taste good. Just the batter.
Put foil. Like make a roll of foil to line it up there so it doesn't go flat.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Oh, I didn't even set a timer for the key. Where's my phone? Oh. How do I put a timer on here?
I don't know. Press timer.
Has it started?
Okay. Just press start.
Oh, there we go. I got the pan dirty. Axel. Hey, Axel. Axel. Now I'm just gonna make some. I'm gonna wait until those finish baking and then decorate them. And I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie and make some hot chocolate right now and cuddle with this dog. Now you wanna look? Turbo. Turbo. Did you get? Oh my gosh. I'm going to watch Cloud9, which is not even really a Christmas movie. It's a snowboarding movie. And then I was also choosing between Chalet Girl, which is another snowboarding movie. But it was really a hard decision. I wanted to watch Home Alone, The Santa Claus, and then I found X-Men, but that's not even Christmas close to it. So I might watch one of those later too. But right now I'm just gonna go make some hot chocolate. Now I'm just gonna smash the cake. That's hot.
Yeah, that's why you're supposed to let it cool off a little bit.
I just lined this tray with some foil. And now I'm going to do this cake. Because it's probably not as hot as it was before. Now I'm going to add some of this frosting. It's vanilla frosting from Betty Crocker. And I'm going to add half of it at first. Just going to add all of it. Now I have these sticks, and I'm just gonna roll these into balls and put them on them. Size and they got huge. So this is how they look. Now I'm just melting some candy melts that are red for Christmas. And then I'm going to dip the cake pops in it and I'll show you guys. I was not filming that whole time. This is what the brownies look like. They finished. Turbo. Hey boy. Look at these cute doggies. They were laying down just now, but then I called their names and they stood up, so yeah. Turbo. Axel. I'm watching Virgin River right now, and then after I'm gonna be watching Cloud 9.
Commercial fishing. So she's still in love with me.
And you don't feel the same way.
Well, if I did, things would be a lot simpler.
As I'm editing this vlog, I'm realizing I didn't film an outro, so that is what I'm doing right now. I hope you guys enjoyed and like the vlogs. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe down below. Hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.